How to remove Q&A from TikTok bio. This is what we are going to talk about in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, you have to go on TikTok app on your mobile. As you go on the TikTok app, then you have to go on the profile option that is located down below, and then you have to go on these three lines that are located up above and click on them. As you click on them, then if you are a professional creator or if you have a creator account, then you will be able to see creator tool, or otherwise this setting will be available in settings and privacy in the first page. Now as I'm using creator tool, then I have to click on that, and then I have to go on the Q&A option, and then over here I will see these three dots. I have to click on them, and then I can show it on my profile, and I can also disable it on my profile. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section, and also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.